Start.
Selling. My dear friends, sale is a life skill. We are constantly selling all the time. Right from the interview process, when we are trying to get a job, or negotiating a salary hike during a appraisal, or convincing your colleagues on new ideas. So sale is everywhere. You might not be in the sale department, but you need sales skills to be successful in your career. So now let me start this presentation with some valuable lines. Good evening, respected directors, sir, faculty members, and all my dear classmates. Welcome you all on this gorgeous occasion. Hi, my name is Waris Khan. At present, I am learning English at American Institute, Bhopal. First of all, I would like to pay thanks to Director Sir for giving me this golden opportunity to stand on this podium and express my views in front of you. And also thank you people for being here. And today, I am so delighted to share my thoughts over the topic how to sell anything. My dear friends, are you excited to know how to sell anything?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so today I'm going to tell you 4 techniques that will help you to sell anything. So my first point is know your customer. My dear friends, know your customer and their need. Let me tell you how normal salesmen sell their product. So my product is good. So my product have best feature. So my product is cheapest. My product, my product, my product. Cheapest, cheapest, cheapest. What is this? Please don't do the same mistakes that normal salesmen do. Suppose there are 10 features inside a product which are amazing, but maybe customer is not interested in 9 of them, then what will you do? You can do nothing. So my dear friends, don't sell the product that you have, sell the problem solution that customer have. My dear friends, so my next point is emotion. Make the customer get emotionally invested in your product. Suppose a man goes to a shopping mall for buying some clothes. After reaching there, he gets confused what to buy. Suddenly, a salesman comes and says to him, "Sir, could you please do me a favor? Could you please put on this t-shirt once?" He says, "Okay, not a problem." And when he puts on the t-shirt, then salesman says, "Sir, are you the fan of Virat Kohli?" He says, "Of course. Who are not the fan of Virat Kohli?" Then salesman says, "Sir, do you know this is the same t-shirt that Virat Kohli has worn in his recent Instagram post?" So he puts emotion on his t-shirt for convincing him. So my third point is storytelling. My dear friends, storytelling is the bestest way to promote your sale. My dear friends, if you have good story that match with the customer need, you can sell more and more product. My dear friends, suppose there are 2 pens. One is for 10 rupees and second one is for 30 rupees. They both have the same word to write. Then who gonna buy the 30 rupees pen? Maybe no one or someone. But when you add a story on 30 rupees pen, like when pen inks get over, what do? You throw it away. Do you know how many pens are thrown away every day in India? Millions of pens. We care for environment. That's why we have made flare rightometer that goes on, and goes on. So my fourth point is customer urgency. My dear friends, do you know why we buy lots of things during Flipkart Weekend Day sale? Because of offer? No. We buy lots of. Suppose if you get the same offer for every day, will you buy lots of things?
No.
Maybe no. But my dear friends, we don't buy the product because of offer. We buy products because of time period. We think if we don't buy this product now, we're gonna miss this offer. Or let customer thinks if they don't buy this product, they're gonna miss out. Before I conclude my topic, I want to say some saris. Can I?
Sure, sir.
Okay. तो अर्ज किया है कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में यही बात बताए गौर फरमाइएगा कबीरा खड़ा बाजार में यही बात बताए जो कस्टमर की नीड को समझे वो खूब सेल कर जाए सो माय सेकंड साड़ी इज डेडिकेटेड टू ऑल द सेल्समैन हु आर ट्राइंग टू कन्विंस हिज कस्टमर माय डियर फ्रेंड्स अर्ज किया है तुम्हें जो हो पसंद वही बात करेंगे गौर फरमाइएगा तुम्हें जो हो पसंद वही बात करेंगे और तुम दिन को कहो रात तो हम रात कहेंगे एट लास्ट I thank you people for listening to me very carefully and very politely. Thank you so much.